Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another smaller video, and in this video, we're going to discuss two different apps on your Android mobile phone that is available. One app that I found, which is known as SDR Spectrum, which is this app right here. This is a good app. This is I found out about this on RTL-SDR blog. This is known as Spectrum SDR. Make sure you have your RTL-SDR dongle or HackRF. These are the two things which are supported as per my knowledge because I'm working with them. SDR Spectrum, Spectrum SDR, and I'm gonna make a comparison of this particular app with another app which I personally like, which is similar to GQRX, which is known as RF Analyzer. So let's just quickly explore this app, which I came to know about a week or so. So which is known as Spectrum SDR. Make sure you have HackRF or RTL SDR dongles connected to it. I'm just gonna hit play, and this is what you should observe. You should start observing this. I'm right now monitoring at 944 megahertz, as you can clearly see it here. And the bad thing about this app, I was unable to demodulate signal. So when you go to options here, so you can like change the frequency you want. Like for example, if I want to look at something at 945 megahertz, so this is basically GSM band. But I cannot do much with the waterfall graph, neither with spectrum graph. I cannot change uh, the gain and things like that. You don't quite see the display either. Second bad thing about this is it automatically has a demodulator option. So in show, if you go to show, you can do a host and post. It will give you that it's a loopback IP address. Then you can have a frequency dial, FFT, waterfall, and you can also have some preset values as well. You can preset these values, but this one is actually a it's not a full version, so I won't be able to do that. Second thing is you have samp rate, but the bad thing about this particular app that I don't like is actually demodulator. It doesn't have any option where you can turn off demodulation as compared to RF analyzer. But this thing does not have it. Either you have FM, AM, and go to frequency demodulator. You have FM. All you will be able to hear is some noise. And I tried to demodulate FM signal as well, but I was unable to. It's probably because I am indoor. That's the reason. But I did not find this app to be quite good anyway. That's it. You're limited in terms of options, and you gotta have a paid version for it. I think to have better option. And the bad thing about this is you cannot turn off DMOD. Either you have to have AM or FM, and you'll be able to hear that buzzing sound continuously. You cannot turn this thing off, just like you were hearing before. So that's the idea about this app. Uh, it's another app that if you want to use Spectrum SDR, if you want to explore the Spectrum round using your mobile phone. So let me just turn this app off. RF Analyzer. This is the best app. Probably it's not available on Android anymore. If you're like for example, my phone has Android 14. It's not available on 14, so you have to probably download it, Google it online, and then download the app. So RF Analyzer is a beautiful app, and I'll show you some of the pros as compared to SDR Spectrum SDR. So when you turn this app on, the good thing about this is you can change this. All right, you can change your DB level. All right, you can when you hit this button off, you'll have operation. You can have AM, you can have narrowband FM, you can have wideband FM, LSB, USB, lower sideband, upper sideband modulation. That's the cool thing. So you don't have to worry about if you just want to analyze the signal, you can just turn the DMOD off. And another thing is, when you go here, you can go to settings. You'll have different options. You can choose different type of sources. So this thing has only hack RF and RTL. You can choose the FFT size. That's the cool thing. Averaging, peak hold, auto, color map. If you want to have a spectrum to waterfall ratio, anything different. Vertical pinch to zoom, vertical scrolling. Amazing app. It's not when you just if you have your mobile phone like at fully updated like Android 15 or 14, you won't find it. So just simply Google it online. I'll probably leave a link to that as well underneath this video. So a lot of options are there. So for example, you can just simply go to I have right now I'm connected. My hack RF is connected. as you can clearly see it on the screen right here. My HackRF is connected, so I'm using HackRF instead of RTL-SDR dongle. Just simply go to frequency. For example, if you just want to explore the band 935, so here we go. You can clearly see the spectrum by just moving your finger around on the spectrum and taking care of the dB level. You can pinch it to zoom in. That's the cool thing about this. You won't find it in the Spectrum SDR, at least the one that is a freer version. This one is free. Everything is free about this particular app, which I'm exploring right now. RF Analyzer. I made several videos on it. You can just simply move the frequency around to tune in to different frequencies. So, for example, right now you're looking at 937 megahertz. You can change the sap rate as well, depending on what type of device you're using. For example, I'm using HackRF. It can support up to 20 mega samples or 20 megahertz of bandwidth. So that's the cool thing. And the demodulation works absolutely perfectly fine with this app because um, I made a video already on it, that where you can do the demodulation on it. I just wanted to make a comparison between a Spectrum SDR and RF Analyzer. So a very beautiful app that you can download and explore Spectrum. And for since I have HackRF, I can go into 2420 band, which is actually your uh, Wi-Fi band. So I can also explore this as well. Since I'm running, I think right now, I think I'm running 5.8. I can also explore that as well. So 5.8 gigahertz band is also there. 5820. And since I'm running HackRF, so I can also explore at Wi-Fi at 5 gigahertz band. So these are my thoughts regarding RF Analyzer and Spectrum SDR. I personally didn't like that app, but this is the best app, and this is free. RF Analyzer is completely free. You don't have to pay a single penny for it, and it has all the options that probably Spectrum SDR trying to offer. So, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section. This was my small attempt to make a comparison between RF Analyzer and the Spectrum SDR. So, thanks for watching as always, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.